All right, AP Human Geography students, here's your last video of the year. I know this is hard for you. All right, let's talk about why should resources be conserved. And the reason why, it's for sustainable development. Let me read you this quote. Development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. That's what sustainable development is. Basically, it's a goal to improve the quality of life for future generations. And there are three methods to accomplish this goal. One is conservation. What this is the sustainable use and management of Earth's natural resources. So this includes wildlife, water, air, food, medicine, recreation, all right? It's consuming trees and it's using fossil fuels to produce petroleum at lower rates in order to maintain reserves for future generations, all right? So it's resources that basically can be used for development, but we have to utilize them carefully now. All right, another way to look at sustainable development is through preservation, all right? That basically humans should not use nature for themselves. That resources should be stopped and development just left alone, no more. All right, preserve everything that's left, perhaps an extreme to conservation. The third mentality is something called sustainability, and it's that environmental improvement takes into consideration economic factors. That really, you can use resources to, let's say, promote social equity if need be, and economic growth. But once you obtain those two factors, you stop using resources until another crisis emerges. So it's a when we need it policy. But last but not least, let's talk about biodiversity and why it's important to conserve resources. So what is biodiversity? Well, it refers to a variety of species across Earth, and this ranges from insects to sea creatures to even plants. Protecting the planet by utilizing natural resources, what this does is, well, it saves every single species around the world, including that adorable dog right there. We'll talk more about that in class. See you then.